Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to adjust the display color contrast and scheme on your Poco X7 Pro. If you have ever felt like your screen looks too warm, too cool, or just want more vibrant colors, this quick tutorial is for you. Okay, let's get started. First, just unlock your phone and then just go straight into the settings, this one. And then just scroll down until you find display and brightness, this one. Just tap on it. This is where you will find all options to control how your screen looks. And then inside display and brightness, select color scheme, this one. And here, Poco X7 Pro will give you a few modes to choose from. There are Original Color Pro. These modes produce realistic colors to color calibrations. This will give you a more natural and balanced look that's perfect for those who want true to life tones. And then next, there are Vivid mode that it will adjust colors based on the content that display, and it will make the color pops a little more. That's great for videos or social media. And next, Saturated mode that it always enhances the color, and this is the most vibrant setting if you love bold and punchy color. And the nice thing is, whichever option that you pick, you can still fine-tune the color temperature in here. Just set it toward warmer for a yellowish tone, or you can also set it to color for a bluish feel, and just set as you want until you find what's comfortable for your eyes. And next, there are also advanced settings. This is perfect if you want even more control. That in here you can adjust the color gamut, which basically defines the range of color your display uses. And here you will see three modes. First original mode, it's for accurate and balanced tones. And then there are P3 for wider cinema looks color. And then there are sRGB, which is more standard and often used for editing or when you want consistent color accuracy. And in this menu, you will also the options to adjust contrast and gamma. These settings let you fine-tune the brightness levels and the overall depth of the colors on your screen. For example, increasing contrast will make image look sharper and more defined, while adjusting gamma can help you get smoother brightness transitions. Just play around with this until the display feels just right for you. And okay, that's it. You have just customized the color scheme, contrast, and even the gamma on your Poco X7 Pro. Now your display should look exactly the way you like it, whether that's natural, vibrant, or something perfectly in between. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!